Hi YouTube, this video is going to be about me opening my
AIXPI 10-inch LED ring light with a tripod stand and phone holder.
I have to hook it up, so I got to do step by step. And first I'm going to reveal it, so okay. I already opened it, instructions and things out there. But okay, so they have this ring light, the cords you connect it with. This is how you turn it on with the buttons. We have the phone stand. So this is just a step by step because I have to connect it. This is the stand. This is the screw. This is another one, but it holds up both the ring light and the stand. Okay, so now we're going to assemble everything. And at the end, it should look like so. This is all the instructions about it. So, ring light. Okay. This and this. So we got a screw on there. So these two are supposed to be together. They're showing pictures. So after that one is, okay, I did that step. This. You can clamp on there, as you can see. And you can take this and twist it. Okay. Be like this. Next step is taking this one, going towards the bottom, like that.
So clumsy. Just keep screwing it on. It's only like 5 pieces to this, so it's very easy. And this is
The stand. All you gotta do is a hole here and connect it to that. To this one on the bottom.
and then there's like a little
Ball. So you can stand it up, but the ball you gotta tighten. Okay. This little ball thing from here. And then when you tighten it, it won't move. But unloosen it, it moves. But tighten it, it doesn't. So that was all the steps. Plug in with a charger piece, or you can plug it into your computer or something to cut it on. So I'm gonna test this out and come right back. So I just gotta tighten everything. I got a charger piece. I gotta unravel this. I'm just testing it out. Put it in there. And this is very easy. Like very easy. So the lighting works. Ooh. So that's the lighting compared to this one. So let me see. I don't know what this do. Oh, it go down. The light ain't quick though. So up. Ooh, that's a little too much. That's white. That's yellow. See, it's like different colors. I don't want to blind nobody. Just turn it like that. That's like a whitest blue. That's yellow. That's white. It's 3 different settings for this. So, thank you for clicking this video, and that's all I did to assemble this. It really wasn't that hard because they got just pictures. Pictures like how to get it together. And this is my outcome. That's about it. All you need is like a charger piece or something to like plug it into and it'll work. But it don't come with like a thing you can just plug it into the wall, but that's about it. So that was the LED ring light I did. It's from AIXPI. I got it from Amazon. It comes with a tripod stand and the ring light and a phone holder. So yeah, that's about it. But now I don't have to use my DIY ring light. And that's about it. Cause this ring light I made is not it. I have to show y'all guys. I'm gonna include some pictures so you can see. But that's about it. Thank you for clicking this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on that notification button because I will be coming with more videos. And comment down below some ideas I should do. This new ring light you're not in. Some new ideas I should do down below. And thank you.